Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right? Can you speak louder?
Yes,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any
100%.
friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because, ma'am, same time on the Philippines.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Angeline Camona in Dallas. I'm 25 years old. I have two kids, 9 years old and 7 years old. I have live-in partner. My father is construction worker. My mother is housewife. I have seven siblings, two boys and five girls.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. What is your rank in your family?
Ma'am, sorry po.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Five po, fifth po.
Okay, when is your birthday?
October 19, 1999.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 54, my height is 5'3".
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school grad po.
So you have you have a live-in partner. Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am?
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
28 years old, she's cook po.
Okay, so you mentioned also that you got two kids, which is 9 years old and 7 years old. Who will going to take care of your kids later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Mother-in-law po.
How old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
Housewife po and 65 years old, ma'am.
Do you know what are you up to? You will going to work as a domestic helper. Do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines you have a working experience as a housemaid?
Bulacan. Bulacan.
How many years do you work there?
2 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
I started 2023 to 2025.
What month
Then,
did you started in 2023 and 2025 you ended?
yes, ma'am.
What month in 2023?
June 11, 2023 and now po, February 2025. Then now, ma'am, work, my work is cashier now po. Restaurant.
Okay. So you worked for 1 year and 8 months to your previous employer in Bulacan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there?
Cashier, ma'am, now, restaurant.
To Bulacan.
Yes, ma'am. Marikina. Now, ma'am, Marikina.
No, I mean, what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Bulacan as a housemaid?
Housemaid. Ma'am, sorry po.
You mentioned to me that you have a working experience as a housemaid in Bulacan, right? You
Yes,
worked
ma'am.
for 1 year and 8 months. What is your job responsibilities there?
Cleaning. I have two kids and also cook.
You take your children there.
Yes.
How old are those children?
10 and 15.
Are you sure, ate, that you take care of children?
Yes, ma'am. I two children, ma'am, and age is 10 at 15, ma'am.
Did you do the ironing and laundry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you really willing to come and work here as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you will going to sign a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job and you miss your family. This is a 2 years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking.
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is quite big and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. Sure po.
Can you take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time. You cannot hold it for 24 hours. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then fine, you can come. Don't give us trouble. If you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes.
Being a first-timer, homesickness will frequently attack you. How will you gonna handle it later?
Sanay na. Focus in my work, ma'am.
Focus on your work.
Yes.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. Don't bring what you are doing in the Philippines here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We need to humble ourselves, we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Globalace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer.